There are a few sauces I come back to again and again. Ragu Bolognese is one of them. It's steady, it's deliberate, and it reminds you that good food doesn't need to rush. Today, we're building it the right way. Let's cook. What goes into this is simple. Beef and pork for balance, pancetta for depth, onion, shallot, garlic, and carrot, the classic aromatic base, stock to enrich, red wine for structure, tomatoes, of course, and the details that make this version mine. Hot Hungarian paprika for warmth, a touch of brown sugar to soften the acidity, nutmeg at the end, and real Parmigiano Reggiano. Nothing here is complicated, but every piece has its job. We begin with Battuto, finely chopped onion, shallot, garlic, carrot, and pancetta, chopped together. In Italy, this is done by hand. Not rushed, you want it fine. Structure is everything. What do you call food impersonating spaghetti? An impasta. Into the pan goes the ghee. Add the battuto. Cook gently, 10 minutes. The onions soften. The carrots sweeten. The pancetta releases fat. Now this becomes a soffritto. This is the foundation of nearly every great northern Italian sauce. Lower the heat. Add the dried herbs, paprika, sugar, salt, pepper, then the stock, layer by layer. Now the meat. Low heat first, we're not searing steaks. We're integrating. Break down that ground meat until it mirrors the soffritto. Fine, cohesive, even. That's what gives the true ragu its texture. Once it's fully cooked, raise the heat slightly. Add the crushed tomatoes and the red wine. Let it simmer gently, partially covered, 40 minutes. No boiling, just quiet reduction. When the fat begins to separate, you're close. This is where the sauce deepens. This is where the flavors round out. Thyme is an ingredient. Now add the fresh herbs, a pinch of nutmeg. Classic, subtle, necessary. If the sauce needs some tightening, wine and cornstarch will bring it together. Stir gently, 3 to 5 minutes, and it's ready. Traditionally, you would see this with tagliatelle. Wide pasta holds ragu the best. Today, I'm using spiralized zucchini. Why did the chef's girlfriend break up with him? She couldn't handle his saucy personality. All right, let's give this a taste. It smells incredible. You can really smell the pancetta come through. You can see that the meat is nicely minced at the same level as the soffritto. Look at this. The brown sugar tones down the acidity of the tomatoes. You get a crunch from the spiralized zucchini. There's a little bit of heat, very pleasing. This is such a pragmatic and flexible dish. You can have it with pasta or ravioli. You can have it on a pizza. You can put it on a burger. You have to try it. Fine texture, balanced acidity, sweetness from the soffritto, depth from pancetta and stock. This is ragu, built with patience. Thanks for cooking with me.